Thanks for this opportunity of asking my opinion to motivate students. Actually, it's always inspiring to see students showcase their confidence and communication skills, and I'm also honored to be part of their journey. Now, both declamation and extemporaneous speech both fall under public speaking, but they require different sets of skills and preparation. In declamation, the most important thing, the speaker focuses on memorizing, understanding, and internalizing a piece. Now, when the content is fully grasped, okay, effective gestures, the facial expressions, stage presence, and proper diction naturally follow. Now, with a deep connection to the piece, the speaker can deliver it with confidence and clarity. While in extemporaneous speech, on the other hand, required a different kind of preparation. You must stay well informed about the current issues and be able to take a clear and logical stand on a given topic. And then it also demands strong skills in organizing ideas quickly, and you need to deliver them in an articulate manner. In addition to this, they also need to practice their rebuttal because it allows you to respond effectively to opposing arguments. So, if I now say, you need to keep on believing your voices, speak with confidence, and grow through every experience and never stop improving.